Florida Quitclaim, power of attorney and notarization. Non-attorney legal services. Understanding quitclaim deeds in Florida. Quitclaim deeds in Florida, a professional understanding. A quitclaim deed is a legally binding document that transfers interest in real property from one party to another. In Florida, understanding quitclaim deeds is essential when transferring ownership between family members, removing an ex-spouse from the title, or transferring a property into a trust. It is critical to note that a quitclaim deed does not guarantee that the grantor has the legal right to transfer ownership. Instead, it only transfers the grantor's interest in the property. Without appropriate legal advice, the grantee may become responsible for any outstanding debts or liens associated with the property. Non-attorney legal services may not provide the necessary legal advice to ensure the transfer of ownership is done correctly, leaving the grantee at risk for legal issues. Understanding powers of attorney. Having a clear understanding of what powers of attorney entail is essential for anyone who is planning their estate. A power of attorney is a legal document granting someone else the authority to make choices for you. It's a crucial component of estate planning and requires careful consideration. The importance of understanding powers of attorney is paramount, as it challenges the beliefs on autonomy, especially when bestowing decision-making power onto another individual. In this section, I will discuss what powers of attorney are and why they are so essential to our decision-making processes. What is a power of attorney? A power of attorney is a legal document that gives someone else the authority to make decisions on your behalf. It is a way to prepare for future situations where you may not be able to make decisions yourself due to illness, disability, or absence. There are different types of powers of attorney: ordinary, durable, and specialized. An ordinary power of attorney only allows someone to act on your behalf for a limited time and purpose, such as signing documents when you're out of town. A durable power of attorney, on the other hand, remains effective even if you become incapacitated or unable to make decisions yourself. A specialized power of attorney is used for specific purposes such as real estate transactions. When notarizing a power of attorney, it is important to consider both legal and financial risks involved. Notarization requirements vary by state, but generally require proper identification and signature verification. Preparing and notarizing a power of attorney can provide protection for both yourself and your assets in the event that you are unable to make decisions for yourself. It also ensures that your wishes are honored by those making decisions on your behalf. By having a valid power of attorney in place, you can have peace of mind knowing that your affairs will be handled properly. If you need non-attorney document services, witnessing or notarization of important legal forms anywhere in Florida, give us a call at 321-283-6452 or 1-877-540-6104.